And with coverage of Hurricane Matthew, thanks so much for joining us. I'm Brandy Cummings. The massive Category 4 hurricane continues to move towards several Caribbean islands. Right now, here's a live look from the Virginia Beach oceanfront and downtown Norfolk through Tower Cam 10. The sun's been poking through the clouds this Sunday afternoon, but overall, it's been a decent day to go out and about. Meteorologist Baylor joining us in the Super Doppler 10 Weather Center to let us know just how long this calmer weather will last. But Ashley, I know you are keeping an eye on those tropics.
And you know what, we have to. I mean, this is a situation where every single model run that comes out, every meteorologist along the eastern seaboard is keeping a very close eye on this one because, yes, some of our forecast models do have Matthew potentially curving very, very close to the Carolinas and then potentially kind of darting out to sea. But there's a lot to play with between now and then. It's possible that we really may get some pretty massive effects down towards the Outer Banks. But that's just with some of the latest model runs. I mean, really, I can't emphasize enough that a lot can change between now and next weekend. It looks like we would feel the full effects of Matthew potentially next Saturday if it actually continues on the track it is on. As we take a look at our tropical satellite and radar composite, you can see Matthew is a massive storm system, really, I mean, occupying the Caribbean all the way from Hispaniola and Jamaica all the way down to South America. And you can actually see that well-defined eye of this hurricane, which is indicative of a major hurricane. You really start to get those well-defined eyes when they reach Category 3 status, but it's a Category 4 right now. So right now, winds sustained at 145 miles per hour, not moving very fast, only moving off to the northwest at about 5 miles per hour. So it is going to stay down here for the next several days. As you can see, it's not really expected to start to move into the Atlantic closer to the southeastern part of the U.S. until Thursday. So this is really going to dump a lot of rain and bring some very, very strong winds down to the Caribbean islands. And as we take a look at our spaghetti models, you can see the majority of them, have them curving pretty close to the South Carolina and North Carolina coastline. But then the majority kind of want to take it a little bit farther out, just north of Bermuda. And we really need to hope that it stays on that track instead of continuing on a northerly direction towards the Outer Banks and towards Hampton Roads. We're going to continue to talk more about Matthew in our full forecast. And of course, we got to talk about what's coming up for us over the next couple of days. So see you in a little bit.
Ashley, thank you, folks. Right now, it's a good time to pick up the Super Doppler 10 Hurricane Ready Guide. Inside, you get important information on how to prepare for a storm. Be sure to pick up your copy at any Farm Fresh supermarket or download it on WAVY.com.